it's Leah. Welcome back to Leah K Vlogs. And if you're new, hit the subscribe button down below and turn on those notifications. If not, welcome back. Today I'm going to be making one of my favorite recipes, snow cream. So let's get on with the video. What you need to make snow cream is a cup of milk, a fourth of a cup of sugar, and a splash of vanilla. So let's go ahead and start mixing. So I'm going to be taking my cup of milk and pouring it into a bowl. Next, I'm going to be taking a fourth of a cup of sugar and dumping it in to the milk. After the sugar, you want to add a splash of vanilla extract. It all depends on how much you want and how little, so I'm not going to put an exact measurement. After you put in the vanilla, mix it up with a spoon. Now, let's head outside to go get the snow. So we're outside, it snowed last night, and I went ahead and added in the snow. You just have to eyeball it. It all depends on how much milk, how much you want in it. If you want it really creamy or liquidy. So I'm going to go ahead and start mixing. And I like to mix it in the snow outside only because in the house it's usually 70 or 80 in the house. So whenever you're inside, the snow can melt and it will become just a liquidy mess. It still tastes good, but it's a mess. So you can already see that we need a little bit more snow. See how it's becoming a more ice creamy texture when I add another cup of snow. And that's all you have to do. So we just came back from outside and this is the finished product. Good focus. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and taste it. That tastes so good. So comment down below if you've ever had snow cream and if you love snow cream. And give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on my notifications to know whenever I'm posting more videos. Thank you. Have a great day.